Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today we're gonna go ahead and look where we can change the ringtone on the Emporia tablet. For that we want to go to all apps and then go to our settings, and then we want to go to sound, and here we want to scroll down and go to phone ringtone, even though it's not a phone. And here we have some ringtones. And if you decide for one, you can just click on OK. If you go here again, you can add a ringtone if you have music on this tablet, and then you can just choose your favorite song or something and make it your ringtone. If you've done that, you can go back. That's how you can change your ringtone on the Emporia tablet. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.